creating the project with the Angular CLI. Angular CLI Intro. In this video, we'll see what the Angular CLI can provide us. How do we start a new project? How do we launch the Angular website? How do we create pages? And we will go through the installation of the Angular CLI. So let's see how we can start a new project. Let's break down the content of this command. We have ng, you can see it as an abbreviation of Angular. ng is the executable for the Angular CLI. Then we have the new command name to create a project. And with the new command, we have to provide an application name. In my example here, it's just my app. This will create a new Angular project. It will contain the skeleton of the application, and it will be a fully working project that we can launch immediately. So, this is where the installation of Node.js we did in the previous section comes to play. The ngserve command will start a server that will allow us to access our application in a browser. Calling ngserve will launch a web server, and by default it will be deployed on localhost on the 4200 port. The Angular CLI can also create components for us. During this course, we will consider each page as a component. To create a component with the CLI, we will call the ngGenerate component. And next to it, we'll just have to provide the name of the component. So in this case, my component. To install the Angular CLI, we will use the npm CLI. npm is for the npm executable. Install will install a package and any dependency that package has. The -j stands for global. It means we will install the Angular CLI globally. And then you can see the name of the package. Let's install the Angular CLI. We will be using the same command we have just seen. Let's make sure it was properly installed. We can simply type ng, and this gives us a brief overview of the available commands. If you want to check what version of the CLI you installed, you can simply type ngv. You can see the Angular CLI version and also the version of the different packages that come with it.